We step deeper into the darkness. All around us, dozens of crickets leap across the ground, which is blanketed by centuries of bat guano. Above, thousands of bats hang in slumber, some stirring, dropping unwelcome surprises, making it unwise to ever look up. The sloping path carries us across layers of limestone, leading us straight to the mouth of Doong. And then an awe-inspiring sight opens before us. An immense cavern with water trickling down both sides of the walls and faint light filtering from afar. Beneath the very soil, we walk on lies limestone, more than 450 million years old, formed from the shells and skeletons of ancient sea creatures that once sank to the ocean floor, compacted over millions of years. Over time, acidic rainwater slowly dissolved the rock, carving deep passages and vast chambers. This is how Doong was born. A final, grueling climb brings us to the grand entrance. Headlamps switch on. From here, we step into the chamber known as the Passage of Hope and Vision. In this 9-kilometer-long cave, countless wonders await discovery. We may well be the first to record new species yet unknown to science. Even within the first few steps, stalactites and stalagmites tower over us. Mineral-rich water drips from the ceiling, layer by layer, forming terraces of rimstone pools. Our first greeting comes from a solitary cricket, clinging to the rocks. Deeper inside, some stalagmites sparkle, pure white, glittering like diamonds. Beside them, massive bronze-colored stalactites hang frozen, like waterfalls turned to stone. Their orange and brown hues reveal the presence of iron and other minerals. Some have even broken free from the ceiling, crashing to the ground far below. Each fracture tells the story of tectonic shifts that widened the cavern and allowed rivers to carve further within. And then, the underground river emerges a mighty torrent flowing through the cave's heart. The current is so swift that if one were to fall, escape would be near impossible. Fed by heavy rains outside, this hidden river is the lifeblood of Doong. Floods also carry soil, seeds, and spores into the cave. Here, we find sprouts clinging to life and mushrooms thriving in the perpetual dampness and dark. Even without sunlight, life finds a way. At last, we reach the largest chamber yet, the Hall of Hope and Vision. Before me stands the tallest stalagmite in the world, 80 meters high, the height of a 25-story building. It has taken 800 years for each droplet of water falling from the ceiling above to build this colossal tower of stone. The scale here is staggering. A double-decker airplane could fly through this chamber. And in the distance, faint beams of light descend from the first great dole in our next destination. As we draw closer, mist begins to gather. The clash between the warm air outside and the cool air within creates clouds inside the cave itself. Tomorrow, we will step into a place explorers call the Land of Dinosaurs, where a rainforest grows inside the world's largest cave. But for now, it is time to rest before the journey continues.